a powerful hand massager by Lifelong. It comes with 4 different head attachments and a net attachment. 4 attachment can be fixed to main massager and enjoy a pain relief massage with speed controls. To reduce harm to skin or to get a smooth massage, you can attach net on a regular massage heads. It is very lightweight, can hold and reach easily to body parts. It comes with almost more than a 1.5 meter cord length. It comes with attractive dual tone light colors, weighing 700 grams with attachments. It relieves pain as well as improves the blood circulation.